Hello and welcome back to Slimestagram. Today we are going to be testing out the new orange vanilla Coca-Cola, and we're going to be seeing if it slimes. So let's get started. Now we're just going to use our glue, baking soda, and contact solution. And the most important thing, the new orange vanilla Coca-Cola. So let's see if it slimes. At first, we're only going to try a little bit, and then we're going to make it using all of the glue if it does work. So now we're just going to add in our glue. And then open one of these up. Now you're just going to mix it all together. And it's time for the activator. So because it's soda, you're just going to add in a bunch of baking soda and a whole bunch of contact solution. Then you're just going to keep adding more and more of your ingredients until it mixes and makes the slime. So we are back overnight and we let this sit, and this is our final product. It's really hard on the top, but once you take this part off, this is where you get your slime. So we're just going to take this top layer off. Now this is your final slime. And it worked. I like this because it's really jiggly and super clear. Overall, I really like the way this slime turned out. I'm Sophia with Slimestagram.
And I'm Victoria with Slimestagram.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.